and make a circle. Select the ellipse tool, align it center, select the circle, make sure the foreground color is none, increase the stroke width, create another circle at the bottom left side, and place it like this. Zoom a bit and make the little adjustment to make the position precise. Select to go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now place the second circle right side. Now select all, create the line segment tool and make the horizontal line. Now select everything, select the shape builder tool and make a shape like this. Now select the upper shape, go to edit, cut, select other shape, remove, edit, paste in place. Now go to view, GPU preview, select and Control X, or manually you can swap from the toolbar. Now we're going to make a bit adjustment for bulb bottom side. Make a line, place on the top of the bulb shape, go to object, path, divide object blue. Now select the rectangle tool and make the edges round. Now select edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Move it downward, go to edit, paste in place, downward, decrease the width. Now select all three, group and make some adjustments. Select, right click. Now we have two colors for different three colors. Select both, go to object, blend, make, object, blend options, preview on, specific steps 2. Okay, now our color palette is ready. Now do this same for other remaining colors to make the color palette. Now select the bulb, select all group. Let's create a copy and keep it aside. And now we're going to make random lines to make the design abstract with the help of pen tool. Just draw random lines to create some intersections. Now we need to select only shapes, so select all, and to deselect the bulb, press and hold shift and select the bulb, so only shapes will be selected and the bulb shape will be excluded. Increase the stroke width, I think 20 is fine. You can choose whatever you want. Expand the shapes, go to window, pathfinder, unite all shapes to make shape 1. Now on each intersection create a circle. You can keep the circle size the same for all intersection, or you can make it random, like for some you can increase the size, or a few you can decrease the size to make it more abstract. Make sure you are going to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now select all thing and deselect the bulb shape. Make the shape 1, select all and click on minus. Now right click, ungroup. Now select and fill the colors from the color palette that we have already created using the blend tool. For remaining one, you can double click on the fill tab and make it manually. Now adjust the bottom a bit. Instead of black, make it dark gray. Now your abstract bulb logo design is ready. Thank you so much for watching.